these two complex numbers, I like to distribute the signs first, okay? Whoop. So when I copy this over, I'm doing x minus 3 plus 2i. And brackets are just another type of parentheses, right? So that means we're multiplying. X minus 3 minus 2i. I just distributed the minus sign to both these numbers. Distributed the minus sign, so that changed to a plus. Okay, so since they're multiplying, what needs to happen is that this x needs to multiply to everything in this expression. This negative 3 needs to multiply everything over there. This 2i needs to multiply to everything over there. So since that's kind of hard to keep track if you just draw like a bunch of arrows trying to make sure they link up, I like to make a box, okay? And the box is going to have the first term, or the first parentheses up top, and then the second parentheses is going to be written on the side like this. Okay, and this is a nice way of keeping our math straight, because now we can see how everything multiplies, how everything combines with each other. X times x makes x squared, x times negative 3 makes negative 3x, x times 2i makes 2ix, or sometimes 2xi. Negative 3 times x makes negative 3x, negative 3 times negative 3 makes 9, negative 3 times 2i makes negative 6i. Now negative 2i times x makes negative 2ix. Negative 2i times negative 3 makes a positive 6i. Negative 2i times 2i. Now watch this one. That's negative 4i squared, which is equal to 4. Okay? If you haven't seen imaginary numbers a lot, it's because I squared, by definition, is negative 1. Okay? So negative 4 times negative 1 made a positive 4. Okay, so we'll want to keep that in mind, because now that we've combined everything, now everything needs to add up. So x squared has no like terms to add up to. Negative 3x plus negative 3x, remember you're adding, that should make negative 6x. So let's scratch it out as we go so we don't forget. Now, the negative 2ix and 2ix are like terms, but look, if you add them up, they just cancel each other out. And 6i times 6i plus negative 6i, those cancel each other out. So now what we have is the 9 plus the 4. That makes 13. That's it. That's it, okay? And the reason why it worked out like that is because, look, these two complex numbers are conjugates. The imaginary part of the complex number has a different sign, so all the imaginary terms canceled out.